welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad you made it back to my 12 days of Christmas. It's our 10th day. But did you know that cheer can quickly turn into fear if you're not prepared? I'm going to show you some simple hacks that you can do on a budget to make your Christmas life easier. So let's raise the bar without raising our blood pressure, and let's get started. So don't fret, you even have things around the house that you can use. I have zip ties and I have command strips. I'm going to show you how to use both. Very budget friendly, yet simple and easy to do. I use these command strips behind my sign and my hot chocolate bar that I put up the video for. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and click above and watch it. I use command strips everywhere in my home. I also use them to hang all my wreaths on the door, my wreaths on my back door, and my wreaths on my front door. I have wreaths everywhere, and I love to use command strips for that. And the best part is, at the end of the season, you can go ahead and take them down without worrying about peeling your paint or damaging your furniture. They work great. The key is to know that it all begins at your front door for the holidays. When you expect company, you want them to feel warm and welcome. Make sure you make an orange simmer, and I shared the recipe on my channel just to make the house smell like Christmas. It'll feel cozy and they will enjoy it just by walking in the door. When your company walks in the front door, they're gonna be hit with that fragrance of Christmas, and the next thing they're gonna do is take a look at the entire house. I like to cover my house with garland full of lights, and when I do this, I use zip ties. Yes, command strips and zip ties. I go ahead and zip tie all my wreaths on my banisters as well as down my stairs. No hooks, no problem. I don't mind wrapping my lights around my banister because it actually helps my garland stay up, and I like to keep my garland very simple, almost no decorations on it, just the lights and the garland to give it a natural feel and a welcome and cozy look. And if you're having guests for the holidays, the living room is where the party happens, and it has to look really good. But it doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it very simple and natural. And remember, less is more. Another hack that I love to use is battery operated string lights. You can use simple elements to make a statement, yet keep it elegant. And you can also tuck that battery pack behind the garland to light up your stairway. I like to create a cohesive look with style that is easy to look at all across my home. If I go with a theme, I go with the theme in every single room. I like to keep my decor very simple yet match my home. So there's no need to go out to purchase pre-lit garland. You can actually make your own on a budget, and it looks just as good as pre-lit garland. And finally, my last tip is to purchase faux plants. I love to change up my greenery and change up the look of my home, but keep my colors very neutral, but I mix my greens in all the time. Also, I use faux poinsettias because I have a dog, and I like to use neutral colors, and I change up so much that I just decided to go with faux plants instead of real ones. So that's a tip. I hope you enjoyed all these decor hacks. Please leave me a thumbs up if you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for day 11. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys.